What's up, guys? Back here with another video. Today we will be reviewing the brand new 2021 LEGO Technic Jeep Wrangler. So here we've got everything that comes in the box. We've got a nice manual. Gives us a breakdown of what each bag will do. It is a 2-bag set. It's got some sticker components. Okay, now let's get into it. Okay guys, just finished bag 1, and this is what we have. And now on to bag 2. Alright guys, and there we have it. There is the 2021 LEGO Technic Jeep Wrangler. Overall, it's a pretty good build. Pretty simple. Nothing really complicated to it. Some of the highlights here, it does actually have working suspension and moving parts and a winch. So that is all for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.